Okay, we're gonna all put our tap shoes and start dancing because we're live on YouTube. All right, now, Mr. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony? How about your other right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to speak will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Michael Hernandez?
Yes, sir. Michael Hernandez Jr.
Okay. Are you the same Michael Hernandez Jr. who in this cause number 2025 CC 009679 who is
Yes,
charged?
sir.
Hold it. Just let me finish.
Oh,
Are you the
sorry.
same person who under that name is charged with the offense of resisting arrest or search? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of resisting search, how do you plead?
No
Guilty,
contest.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. 1 minute. And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, somebody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court costs, 94 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. If it pleases the court, judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Arguelles?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Hernandez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 94 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Arguelles?
It is, Your Honor. The felony was dismissed about 2-3 days ago. So,
Okay,
yes.
so if this is the only case holding you, sir,
Yes,
then
sir.
you should be released sometime today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, Mr. Arguelles. Thank you, and you can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes,
Have a
sir.
good day. Bye, Mr.
Thank you.
Hernandez.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So then,
Judge, next is Attorney Priest, Daryl Serta.
okay. Okay, Daryl said that. You find it on my screen. Give me 1 minute. Okay, settle down. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down, said that. I'm about to share my screen with you. Is your name, do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Daryl Sedva?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Daryl Sedva who this cause number 2025 CC 012887 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at this document on my screen now called Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to
Yes, Your Honor.
you? Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. And when you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes. Yes, Your
Has,
Honor.
has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served. The defendant has 10 days, time and money to run concurrent.
Okay. I'm not going to judgment set this case, Mr. Priest, since he has less than the half of the time in. Is he still wanting to plead?
I believe so, Judge. I talked to him about how much time he'd have to do if it wasn't a JSAT, and he
Okay.
was in agreement on it.
You still want to do this, Mr. Sedva?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Sedva, the court accepts your plea of no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run current. The judgment is not satisfied. You still have some time to do. If it's a 30-day sentence, if you actually do like 15 days, the jail will probably let you out after a total of the 15 days. But so you still have time to do. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. Priest?
It is that I'm aware of, Judge.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Priest, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, I have a few attorneys that would like to speak with the ADA, but I think, Attorney Froelich, you have an announcement?
No, I have a question. So Mr. Yeager, who's up there at bench 2, I think we have a plea ready, but I only got one set of paperwork. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be 2 or if I didn't get it, where along the line.
Is none of them's gonna be TIC? You're going
Mr.
on
Simon,
both?
you
Are
can,
you going
it's
to-
up to him.
Are you going on both or?
Let me pull that up for you, Mr. Froelich.
Yeah, the agreement, the email from the home court was to do both, but I'm not sure if I got 2 sets of paperwork or 1.
And this
Okay,
attorney,
I'll send you a reminder on the second set of paperwork. Which paperwork did you receive?
I mean, I think I signed both of them, pretty sure, but
Okay.
I know my client only signed 1.
On my screen, I'm only seeing one, and it's on 13118. So if he needs paperwork, it would be on 1326. That's if he needs it. If they're not TICing it, if they're going to TIC it, then that's a different matter.
Yeah, it's fine either way. They're just both criminal trespass cases, so
Yeah.
it's not, it's not like it's an enhanceable offense, but that's up to the district attorney's office. I just want to make sure my client could not
Yeah.
find the paperwork, so we need to get him to sign.
Yeah. You need another set of paperwork. That's for sure. If there's going to be a plea on it. Otherwise, if the DA wants to save some time, you can TIC it. But
Judge,
it's up
can I
to-
put him in a breakout room with the
You
ADA?
certainly can.
Sure.
Thank
It's,
you.
but for me, it's a question about the paperwork and where that is in the process.
I understand. Let's have you guys talk first.
Yes, sir.
Does
Thank
anyone
you.
else to confer with the DA while we have him in a breakout room as well?
Yeah, Attorney Stinson?
yes, I need to speak to the DA.
Okay. Good morning, Attorney Hernandez. Do you need to speak with the ADA or you're fine?
No, we've got an agreement to get that resolved. I just need to speak with Mr. Castro and have him review the paperwork and sign off on it.
Okay, great. One moment.
Thank you.
Attorney Hernandez, we're waiting on a breakout room. As soon as one comes available, you are next.
Thank you. I was
Judge, I
struggling to
gotta
find my
look for-
unmute button.
Okay. Judge, I need to look for Froelich's paperwork because Terry was doing it
Yeah.
because I haven't had access to my Adobe. What case did he say he did not have? Do you remember the case
Okay.
number?
Let me go to it. Hold on a minute. Okay, the case I have on my screen, the paperwork I have on my screen is on 13118. But the paperwork that is missing is on 13264.
Okay, let me try to locate that one.
Okay, Mr. Froelich,
So Judge, they're mute. No, they're going to TSC the second case. My
They're gonna-
client,
okay,
I believe, has 11 days. I want to confirm that before we go back on the record.
okay. So the second case will be TIC. Okay. And I don't know if Debbie's heard that. Debbie, did you hear that?
Yes, Judge, I did. Thank you.
Okay. And you know how much time Mr. Yankee has in? I think Prolic needs to know that. Okay,
I'm checking.
okay.
It's an odyssey. It takes forever.
Sure, blame it on the computer. Can't talk back. Can't make
My
it.
fault.
It just spins. It's just, it's loading. Okay, Judge, I'm showing 8 days confined, 16 credit.
Okay, did you hear that, Mr. Prolic?
Yes, yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay, the DA is still conferring, so as soon as he gets out, I think your case will be the next one up, Mr. Prolic. Okay?
Thank you.
We're in a hurry up and wait mode till we get the DA out of that conference room.
Attorney Hernandez, I'm going to put you in breakout room 3.
Oh, it's Attorney Eric Kittenson. I was wondering if I could talk to my client one more time.
Yes, sorry. As soon as yes, we had to move him. One moment.
Understood. Just letting you know. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Stanley is back in the meeting. We have a plea ready to go. It's on Mr. Yeagley.
Yes, sir.
Paperwork on my screen right now. Mr. Yeagley, can you
Yes,
raise
sir.
your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Oh my God.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Danny Yeagley?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Danny Yeagley who, in this cause number 2025 CR 13118,
Yes, sir.
charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. This case was a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did
Yes, sir.
you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
No, I mean, not right there. I didn't sign right there.
Okay, let me,
Well,
let's try
Mr.
this
Yeagley,
again.
Oh, wait. Yes.
This document, this document here,
You
did
went
you
over
go,
with it. Yes.
pardon me, sir, let me speak first, then you can say yes or no. This document that I'm scrolling through right here is called a waiver of constitutional rights. Did
Yes.
you go over this document with your?
Yes. Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it.
Yes,
When
sir.
you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty,
No.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway. Do you understand
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement is a $0 fine, court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, which is 11 days, time and money to run concurrent, and the state will TIC 2025 CC 013264.
Okay, my sheet in front of me says he has 16 days credit. Debbie, what do you have on your computer?
The computer says 8 days confined, 16 credit.
Okay, so if he's got 16 days credit, it's more than half, so I'm going to judgment satisfied. Do you agree to this, Mr. Froelich?
Yes.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Yeagley?
Yes, sir. I go home today.
Yes, sir. Just hold on, Mr. Yeagley. The court, sir, have heard your plea no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I followed the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration is cause number 2025 CC 013264. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. And Mr. Sandy, I would ask you to please send me that dismissal as soon as you can and before this Zoom meeting ends. Okay, I don't want this guy hung up in jail because we didn't get this signed. All right.
Sure. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are these the only cases holding your client, Mr. Froelich?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Mr. Froelich, you're going to have to send me another voucher because the other voucher was probably attached to the other case that you didn't get. So,
That's fine.
Debbie, can you send Mr. Froelich another voucher?
No, Judge, I'll just e-file it and it'll be taken care of. There's no problem.
Okay. However
Okay.
you want to handle it. I'm trying to pay you. That's all I'm trying to do, man.
I appreciate you.
Okay. Mr. Yeagley, you can tell the deputies that we're finishing your case.
All right.
Froelich, if this is the only thing you have, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Judge, I believe Attorney Hunt may have an announcement to make.
Yeah,
Okay.
I believe the state's not ready to make an offer for us yet. So I think if we could refer it back to the court.
Okay, so let me find your case, Mr. Hunt. Your client's name is
For rebate. Veronica.
Okay.
Attorney
Nor-
Hunt, you want me to set it or send it back?
It's a criminal trespass, so I would think they'd be able to make an offer pretty quickly. You can reset it for a week or whatever, if that would work.
So no agreement
Okay.
reset. Okay,
I'll reset it.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
thank you. You can be excused, Mr. Hunt. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so then, what else have we got going here? I've got on my screen a paperwork ready on Anthony.
Yeah.
Castro.
Soft up. Here, Your Honor.
That's him on the screen now. Alex Valverde, is this a regular probation or an MTR or deferred? Alex Valverde. Earth to Valverde. Earth to Valverde. Can you hear me?
Yes, Judge. Yes, sir.
Is this a deferred or a regular probation? Come on, you're the one that's supposed to know.
It's regular. The state and the defense are here too, Judge.
Okay.
It's regular
You're the
probation.
probation officer. You're the person that's play tag with. Okay, probation. All right, hold on 1 minute. Let me pull that screen up on my put that paperwork on my screen. Okay, so then, Mr. Castro, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Anthony Castro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Anthony Castro who in this cause number 2024 CC 739-590 who is currently on probation for the offense of resisting arrest or search? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have on my screen now a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video, and you've signed it and your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document which is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Let me go ahead and sign this. You have signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, in effect, that you understand that if I revoke your probation, you understand that your right of appeal is limited to my actual revocation, not the underlying conviction. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We are here because there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in this court that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. More particularly, I will ask the district attorney, and I know you're new to this, Mr. Sandy, but I'm going to ask you to, if you do have that, to please read that alleged violation to the defendant.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, was not given the actual the violation sheet or the summary, but it was my understanding that we had an agreement that the defendant would plead true to condition number 4.
Okay, Alex, do you have that in front of you?
I have it, and I think you did get it, but I'll read it.
Okay, please.
I'll read it now, Judge. Violated condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Anthony Castro, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of August 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
To that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
True? Okay.
True.
And
True,
Your Honor, just for the record, that is the motion to revoke that the probation officer filed and that I reviewed with Mr. Castro back on the 23rd. So I agree that that is an accurate representation.
Okay. And so then you pled true to this. Has anyone forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything besides a plea bargain to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? There is.
The state's recommendation is to revoke and sentence to 90 days in the Bexar County Jail.
Okay, has he got 96 days in? Is that what I'm seeing in my record here?
Let me check on that, Your Honor.
Debbie?
Yes, Judge, I gotta check with Odyssey, but yeah, it's showing 96 on the docket.
Oh, I'm gonna
I mean,
judgment
she
Saturday.
probably has about 98, 99 by now because this docket is done a couple of days in advance.
Okay, so I'm gonna judgment Saturday. Do you agree to this, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, Your Honor, that's our agreement.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Castro?
I do, Your Honor.
And Mr. Castro, the court having heard you plead true to the motion to revoke, your probation is revoked. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 90 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Hernandez?
That is my understanding, yes, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we are finished with your case. Mr. Hernandez, thank you, and you can be excused.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Everyone have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you very much.
Attorney Adams, do you need to make an announcement?
Could I speak with the DA first?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll put you in breakout room 6 and ADA. Can you please go back in breakout room 6?
Will do.
Thank you. Judge Rebecca Davila's case, on the second page, Alexis Rodriguez, there's no offer.
I'm sorry. Which case? I was busy doing something.
Alexis Rodriguez,
Okay. No offer?
no offer.
Reset or send back?
I was trying to find her emails, I believe.
Okay. Well, I'm just crossing it out. You can decide what's going to happen with it then.
Okay. Oh, we're sending it back.
Okay.
Attorney Stinson, do you need to make an announcement?
So my client isn't gonna be accepting a plea today, unless we can just make an oral motion to modify bond today. I don't think we're just gonna have to call it for today.
Okay. Who is your client again, please? I'm sorry.
Brandon Bassan?
Okay. So Brandon Bassan, no, I can't modify the bond today, but there's no agreement, so I'm going to send it. You send it back or reset it. What do you want to do, sir?
We can send it back. I'm gonna do a motion for the bond, and more than likely, we're gonna be scheduling for trial docket.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Mr. Stinson, thank you. You can be excused then. All right?
Yeah. You have a good day.
You too.
From the annex? Did you come from downstairs across the street?
Judge, can I ask about Attorney Froelich's case again, please?
Oh, what about Mr. Froelich's case?
Which one was TIC'd?
The one that was TIC'd was 13-264.
Okay. And the 3118 was 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
And it was credit for time served, but and it was judgment sat.
Judgment sat. Okay, great. Thank you.
So, Mr. Adams, what's going on with your case?
I'm going to quickly call the DA for County Court 12.
Okay. Please do it quickly because this is the last case on my plea docket. All right.
Okay.
And in the meantime, can we bring someone over from pretrial so I can go over the pretrial?
Sonia is here.
Good morning, Margie. Good morning, Sonia.
Oh, I'm
Next
sorry,
is
it's Margie. I'm sorry.
Margie. Good morning, Margie.
Good morning, Judge.
On my plea docket, I have listed as number one, Everett Booth. Does that comport with your docket?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So number one was not handled. What about two?
2 should be there.
What about three?
3 and 4 should be there.
5 released on bond, 6 not handled, 7 refused, 8 not handled, 9 not handled, 10 not handled. What about 11?
11 was released on bond.
On bond. What about 12?
12 should be there.
13,
13 should be there.
14 not handled, 15 not handled, 6 and that's it then, right?
That's it. Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. Thank you. We're still waiting on one case, and hopefully well, do we have the attorney of the day?
Judge, I
Process.
text her. I'm waiting for her to respond.
Okay, Mr. Sandy, the other thing is you're gonna find, we'll do the pleas, and then if we can do the plea bargains, I mean, the bond docket while we're waiting on another attorney, we'll do that, so that we, out of here.
Yes, sir.
Before you leave today, I would like you to please, are you gonna be the guy that's gonna be here normally now?
No, Your Honor, I'm just filling in for today.
Okay, so, but just in case, can you chat your phone number to Debbie, please, in case we need to call you if something goes wrong?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
I'll email it to her because I don't know if the jail can see if I posted in the chat or.
however you want to do it. I just want to be able to get a hold of you if something goes wrong.
Yes, you can email it to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
So do you know who's going to be covering next week?
It's my understanding that I think it's still going to be either Dan or Talia.
Okay,
I think we're short-staffed, so I don't know if they have a extra person just to fully devote to jail court.
okay. And thank you. I got that dismissal of that TIC case and I did sign it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Judge, we do have a Spanish speaker on today's bond docket. Do you want to do
Okay.
that one first so I can get the interpreter on, or?
Sure.
Okay. I'm still waiting on Elizabeth Russell.
Yeah, I wouldn't get the interpreter here until we get Elizabeth here. She's kind of difficult to get into.
Okay.
Pretty busy lawyer, but hopefully she should sign in. Well, in the meantime, on the probation I'm on the plea docket. I have a David Martinez refused, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign that while we're waiting.
Lieutenant Avila, 6038. Lieutenant Avila, 6038. Anybody with IC Solutions, 5164. Anybody with IC Solutions, 5164.
Okay. It's a hurry up and wait mode. Debbie, can you stick your head in room 2 and see what Mr. Adams, what's going on with him? Oh, there's Elizabeth Russell. Yay.
Yes, Elizabeth Russell.
Good morning, council. Can you hear me?
Good morning, Miss Russell.
I'm sorry, council, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Morning, Judge.
I'm just asking a status with your client because he's wanting to start the plea for you guys if he's almost ready.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, we're finishing the paperwork right now.
okay.
Judge, the bailiff checked, he's finishing the paperwork right now.
Okay.
Attorney
And Miss-
Adams.
Miss Russell is here or not here? I'm not sure. I thought,
I'm here, Judge.
okay.
They were just talking, so I didn't want to interrupt.
Okay. Well, thank you for getting here early, Miss Russell. I'm going to take us off YouTube and we're going to do as many of these bonds as we can while he's finishing up his paperwork. So let me see.
Hello, can I get an interpreter, please?